Get started trading cryptocurrencies today with Coinbase, and you both get $10 in free crypto. Link down below. Did Shiba Inu just crash again? Are we going to be okay? That's what we're talking about in today's video. So if you guys are new, welcome to the channel. My name is Matt. It's a pleasure to have you guys back on Crypto Kings today, and let's get right into it. So look, man, I know a lot of people have been a little bit worried about the current price dip in SHIB. Watching it here about to enter 0.000007 again. Now, obviously, like I've talked about on this channel, man, you know, these small, minute moves, which are not even 1/100th of a cent, are a pretty big deal when you're talking millions and billions of shares. That's something about cryptocurrency that obviously does not apply to the stock market, that does not apply to a lot of major cryptos, but something about SHIB that you need to be aware of is that even these tiny little dips make a big difference. I mean, a crypto going down 10% in one day, that's a pretty big deal. If you put $1,000 in, you're down to 900. That's not very good. So let's talk about why this happened and hopefully how this can be prevented in the future. So the first thing I wanted to get into, man, when it comes down to technical analysis, man, you know, some people in the comments have said, "Oh, Matt, your predictions haven't come in true." For one, they are called predictions. That is, they were predictions. Of course, if I knew the answer, I would be a millionaire. I'm not. I don't know the answer to everything coming up. And unfortunately, like I said, man, there's only so much that a technical, strong suit can do for Shiba Inu. Like I said, man, when you look at this objectively, you're seeing one major fantastic sign called falling wedges, which is a very, very standard, sort of crypto trait here. It's basically something along these lines. This is a very, very rough interpretation of it, but basically the idea is it consolidates in one spot, meaning that the highs and lows, the candles sort of meet up in one spot, and after sort of, battling out in this one spot for a long time, there's an emergent breakout. That's the basic idea behind falling wedges. That is one technical indicator. We can also look at the RSI. Now, sometimes there will be a little too much going on, and this is the wrong RSI. I picked my bad. Here we go. Here's the right RSI. Occasionally, you'll watch it poke its head out above what is considered the norm, and what this basically does is it tells you when it is overextending itself. So, as you guys can see here, this buy volume, yeah, it's a little overbought. And here you can see, obviously, it is a little bit oversold. So right now, it's looking to be a little bit oversold. Now, why is that? Now, it's a very, very simple answer. Bitcoin. And I know, man, no one wants to talk about it. I don't know why, but I'm telling you, dude, Bitcoin drives the market. I talk about this all the time, but it is so true. Bitcoin being down almost 4% on the day, yeah, that's bad. That's really bad because what that does is it affects alts a lot. Like I've said, man, the goal is for Bitcoin at the moment to surpass and hold above 40,000. If that's the case, then Ethereum will also probably get past 3,000 once again and hold there. And I guarantee Ethereum is down on day, 7.5%, which is terrible for Ethereum holders. Now, I'm a big Ethereum holder myself. It's one of the biggest coins that I have money in. And, for Ethereum, it's like, man, this drives a lot of the market. Again, especially these alts. Shiba Inu is very, very closely related to Ethereum and Bitcoin in the fact that it is an ERC-20 token, meaning it is built on the Ethereum network. That is something that I talk about a lot, but, it needs to be mentioned because when Ethereum goes down, SHIB also goes down. And you guys can see being down 7.39%, Ethereum down 6.25%. It's pretty comparable. It kind of moves with Ethereum. I hate to say it, man. And then again, it also does have the meme appeal that Doge has, of course, and obviously, when Doge is not doing particularly great, which Doge is not doing great today either, it also is going to suffer. So unfortunately, Shiba Inu has, it fortunately has two benefits. It has the meme appeal and also the fact that it is a functional Ethereum-based token. Unfortunately, it also has two weak points because if Elon Musk randomly came out tomorrow and decided he didn't like Doge anymore, then Shiba Inu would suffer. Simple as that. And when Ethereum is going through a downturn, SHIB also suffers. So unfortunately, it does have those two vulnerabilities. You have your two strong suits, and you also have your two vulnerabilities. So what's happening right now? Well, again, you guys saw, Bitcoin again reaches, 36K, and it's like, it falls off a cliff. You go here from 887 here down at one point here all the way down to 7.8, which is just 7.7 here, which is awful. Like I said, man, we don't want to watch it go back down there again, because our goal is to watch Shiba Inu here again over the past, like, say, week or so. Our goal is to watch it maintain support at some level here that is above one of those horrible dips during that crypto crash last week. So our goal here is to watch it, sort of maintain itself at any of these levels. For example, a predicted support level could be somewhere around here, perhaps around 7.6. That's on the lower side. Then we obviously saw the recovery from that crypto crash. So now our new prediction was, hey, what if it maintains itself somewhere around here, around 9, around 8, 9, something like this. And that was where we were anticipating to be headed. But then again, Bitcoin and Ethereum keep going down, and okay, let's test 8.5. Let's see if we work at 8.5. Nope, because Bitcoin keeps going down again. So these are levels of support that we're hypothesizing about. These are levels of support that we hope to achieve. But as you guys can see, man, it's already charting some greens back again, meaning it's not just a straight free fall. Again, I can't guarantee it'll go back up to 9 or to 10. That would be, definitely miraculous here in this next 24 hours. So I don't predict that will particularly happen. But what I do see is a nice bit of buying action here, which is great. Again, we want to watch this getting towards the top of the purple here, which, obviously not above, because then it overextends its buy volume, which, intends, to show that it is a little bit overbought. But the goal is to watch it keep going here, keep growing in this more buy volume here, and to watch it for the next 24 hours here or so try to reestablish itself at 9 again. It's be very, very hard. It really will depend on the price of Bitcoin. GameStop and AMC move together in a way. When GameStop is down, AMC typically is down as well, except for today. Actually, today was a bit of an exception in regards to that, with AMC having a weirdly strong run where GameStop doesn't. But 99% of the time, you guys know they move together. So there is, again, is there a chance that SHIB could move on its own? Absolutely. Like I said, in the same way that GameStop and AMC at a very rare instance can move separately. When you first look at the initial SHIB run here after SNL, you guys could see, of course, you have this awesome run here, which is completely unrelated to Ethereum, but more related to, people taking their Doge profits and looking for somewhere to dump it. So that is what happened after SNL. So again, it is conceivably possible if they go after the meme angle, the Doge meme angle. It is very possible you could see it go parabolic like this again, unrelated to Bitcoin and Ethereum. But when you're looking at consistent, less parabolic growth, but you're looking for more consistent, steady growth, unfortunately, man, it is really tied to Bitcoin and Ethereum. And unfortunately, man, Bitcoin and Ethereum today just aren't doing too hot. So again, yes, we did see a bit of a crash, but you know what, man, I wouldn't worry too much the futures. Like I said, I believe in Shiba Inu. I believe in what they're doing. I believe in ShibaSwap, and that really is what matters, man. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. More Shiba Inu videos coming out every single day. Thank you so much for all the love. My name has been Matt. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Get started trading cryptocurrencies today with Coinbase, and you both get $10 in free crypto. Link down below.